Good morning students. Hope all of you are doing well. Today I am going to discuss about your project topic in physics. So you see here your project topic is actually I am giving you by doing experiment to find out which of the three methods. So first one is woolen cloth and second one is wheat flour and third is oil is the best to reduce the friction on the wooden plank. Okay, so that project information actually given in your book you see there. For this you need one book, one wooden plank, one marble, one woolen cloth or some wheat flour and oil. So you see here, take a board, wooden plank, and this one is called wooden plank. So board, wooden plank, and rise on one of its ends as shown. So you have to place it like this way. Take a marble and release it from the top of that. How to release the marble from the top of the wooden plank and to let it roll down. So you leave that marble, and how long distance is traveled to roll it, you have to measure that. So for this this distance you how much distance that marble covered it, you have to measure by a scale. Okay, mark the point, you have to mark it. So for this you have to better you use that chalk or anything to mark that how much distance that marble travels. Then mark the point where the marble stop as M. So where the marble stop, that point you have to mark it M. Now spread a woolen cloth on the plank. Then now you spread this wooden cloth on the plank of that spread that woolen cloth on that plank, and then same action we have to do with the marble. Mark the point where the marble stops as M1. So then you roll that again you leave the marble or release it from the top of the wooden plank, and then you have to check let it how much distance that the marble cover the distance. That distance also you marked it by M1. Next, remove the cloth and sprinkle wheat flour on the plank. Now you spread some sprinkle of the wheat flour and repeat the action with the marble and mark the point where it stop as M2. So first one you have to measure without anything. Only you release the marble on the top of the wooden plank, and that distance how much distance the marble cover, that is M. Then you put that woolen cloth, that is M1, and next is when you sprinkle some wheat flour, that distance is M2. Finally spread a layer of oil on the plank. Repeat action with the marble and mark the point where marble stop as M3. Which of the three methods was the best to reduce the friction on the wooden plank? So each and every distance you have to measure. Then you find out that which is best way to reduce the friction on the wooden plank. Okay, so you know that friction is always opposes the motion. So we know that friction is always opposes the motion of the object. So that we have to find out that which is the best way to find out that friction to reduce friction on the wooden plank. So these things you have to find out. So please you do this experiment, and for this what things you require, you already I told you. For this you require one book, one wooden plank, one marble, one woolen cloth, some wheat flour and oil. Okay, for this, so you please give the information all this. If you have you will get from page number 53, you will get that information from here. So you please do like this way and find out that which of the three methods was is the best to reduce the friction on the wooden plank. Okay, so please you do it. So this is your project topic, you please do it. And in my next video I will discuss some more activities. I want to show you some more activities about related to your topic. Okay, so thank you students, bye, take care.